Hi, today is Saturday, August the 6th. I just wanted to come on real briefly and talk about something that was near and dear to me. I had made a purchase and I'm going to share on every day I get deals sent to my Yahoo account, and so I go on and see what and that's one of my evening rituals, see what I can use that would be beneficial. And honestly, I've accumulated a lot of things that I am going to share, but I think that I have to kind of scale back because with me running a small eBay store where I sell items that I purchased that I can't use or I find a good deal on, and then with me being limited in my storage space, I'm actually accumulating too much. I don't want to look like a hoarder, right? So anyway, in my when I was on this website ordering, and what I had ordered, and I'm going to show you, is a it's one of those things where you take and you use your hand to pick up trash or whatever. You don't have to have on, well, you'd still wear gloves, but you could just pick up things, and it came in handy because I had dropped something behind my nightstand on by my bed, and I couldn't get to it in the back without having to move everything, so I was able to actually get it with that. But anyway, so what they asked, and I'm going to show right here, is for you to donate $5, and what that $5 donation, they actually purchase items to send to a senior care facility. And I thought that was really, really nice. And my pastor challenged us a few weeks ago to do something nice for somebody who you knew could do absolutely nothing in return, could give you nothing in return, but maybe a thank you if they ever had a chance to do so. And that's to me how I gauge a person's sincerity in what they do. If you always do something expecting to gain something in return, then it's not genuine. When you give from the heart, you're not expecting anything back. It makes you feel good to be able to help somebody, right? So whenever you have a chance to help somebody you see that's going through a hard time, and especially our elders, man, they made the ultimate sacrifice for us, for their kids, for their grandkids. And that's why it's so sad to know that sometimes the elderly are put into nursing home or facilities or just get old on their own. There's not anyone there to care for them. I think that's very, very, very sad. And I think that, and like I talked about, I think that the churches should adopt schools. I also think that there should be a ministry that assists the elderly in the communities. I think that would be very, very helpful, especially like right now I'm in Louisiana, it's 100 and something degrees. I pray that everyone in any type of situation is able to find some kind of cool comfort, because it's very, very hot. Here the last week it hasn't been too bad, but the week before, honestly, you can walk out and literally feels like the wind is sucked out of you. It's just that hot. So but just doing something nice for somebody who doesn't have anything to give in return. They didn't ask, but you see that there's a need and you just assist them. So that's my prayer for the day, that we learn to help those who can't help themselves. Because if you think about it, those who get that can give, and those who don't have can't get. You understand? I think that's so sad. It is so sad. Why do we? And I don't know what that is. Why is it so easy for someone who have millions of dollars to get thousands of dollar bags given to them? I guess because that's their marketing strategy. But then you have people that's relying on federal or public assistance trying to mimic that lifestyle. I guess. I don't know. I don't have the answer, but I did, y'all. That's why I wanted to share. If you ever have a chance to do so, it's just and I'm gonna actually see if I can't even share a link where you can actually give a donation. And you know what? One time YouTube, they had a thing about asking how could we do something to help, and I can't recall. I don't know. I've seen this lately. I hadn't seen it before then. I don't know, but I did see where YouTube now has a thing where you could support a charity or whatever, and I do want to do that if eventually, as I grow. Like I said, I'm using YouTube as a ministry, not so much as a means for financial gain. Seriously, I really am, because, I like the pastor said one day. He says that the people that the Lord wants you to help, He's going to put them in your path, because what? We're limited. We can't help everybody. We're not God. We can only do so much. So the people He wants us to help, to inspire, to encourage, to motivate, He's going to put them in our path. And we never know how. And we don't ever know how we're being tested by the people that we meet. What kind of impression are you going to leave on that person? So anyway, y'all, it's Saturday. Kind of a chill day right now. I got some things I need to do, but y'all going to church tomorrow? How's everybody doing? Prayers for all those who are going through any type of health crisis right now. We love you. Praying for a speedy recovery. We're praying for healing. We're praying for comfort through your pain. We're praying for any type of mental situations that you're experiencing, any type of financial situations. And we just got to reach out and know, and I've said this before, we're all in this together. We are. Much love, everybody. Have a good day.